all the same rapids you guys done last time, but you'll see the difference. I'll take forward, and then you jump in. And let's go forward. Forward, forward. Get down, get down, get down. Here we go.
Oh, like that.
Hey, coming up we've got the German Masher, and let's go forward, forward.
Where did it go?
Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, and get down, get down. There's a little drop. Oh, yeah. Jump up.
Oh yeah!
And stop, beautiful guys. Everybody look up at Ruby up there. Give her a wave, give her a wave. Woo, give her a pose. Yeah, that's our class 3+ section now. And that's the most dangerous part of the day.
Oh.
Like if you fell out, the biggest doesn't always mean the most dangerous.
Oh, sure.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh, my phone.
Oh, who was that? Nice one.
Hey, feet up, nose up.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to stop in between two rocks. It's going to be like parallel parking. Alrighty? Like that, it's going to lean. So you guys on the right side, yeah, exactly. Don't fall out the right side and hit yourself in the rock.
That's where Joel was saying when he fell.
This time we'll get it. We'll get it. Oh, nice and strong. Forward, 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 forward. Stop! A little bump. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So, all we're going to do is we're going to pedal out onto that wave all together. Go forwards. All together, all together. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop, stop, stop.
We're losing them.
Right, we missed that. I'm not letting us lose that easy. And let's go. When we pedal, let's pedal nice and together.
Who's calling the strokes?
Follow the leaders.
I can't see them.
Now, when I said hard, 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 I felt the left side go really hard.
We were stuck in the rocks.
And let's go forwards hard all together. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop! And we're on. Alright. Oh yeah, now we're surfing. This is how it's supposed to go. They go forwards, forwards, forwards. Stop! Oh!
It's going down.
Oh yeah, that's a little practice one. Hard, forward hard. And stop!
Oh yeah!
Joel's gonna hit you.
And let's go forward, forward. And stop! And let's go backwards, backwards. And get down, you two up the front. Just so you get this way. And everybody else go forward, forward. And everybody lean forward, lean forward, lean forward. Take the front of the boat, take the front. The guy's fast as well, but he's off. I can just say, oh, you want some more? Okay, I'll get some more.
Waterboarding them.
Waterboarding the best guy.
Perfect.
Woo! How was that, you Joe? Good?
I feel like the weakest thing in the river after that.
Oh, no.
It's really fun when Jake's behind you. You got a river in the front, river in the back. Going up.
Get him in there.
Wait for that nose to bite.
Nose to bite.
Oh, wow. And relax there.
Can we swamp him?
And lean forward, yeah, no.
Dog pile.
Oh, yeah. Woo!
Oh, Ray.
Shut up. Shut up.
Hell yeah, man.
Oh no!
Oh! Lean back, lean back.
Oh my god. That was a good one.
Too many heavy people on this side.
Anybody else want to have another go?
Come on, get in there. Here! Jumping me. That's good.
Can you breathe on?
A little bit. Wow! That's fun. You're fine. Whoa, I felt like we're leaving there. I think that was Tate. Yeah, it was. Oh, yeah. I was just buried.
You were blocking
You were like over me.
You started choking. Howdy, how was that?
Oh.
That was nice.
I'm living the dream, Cole. Yeah, fucking race, bud.
These are fun.
7 linemen on his back.
Yeah! And then go forward, forward, Stop you guys.
Yeah!
There you go! Forward, I see the wind!
Like the lady on the front of the ship.
Oh, look at that! Oh, yeah!
How would you go forward?
We got another one coming, bud.
Come on, buddy! You're not done the rodeo yet!
You hear him at all?
Get in the woods, yeah. Did you volunteer for that?
Oh, I got balls hold.
You said.
Skimboard that.
Yeah, we're not over too much.
You don't want to fall in there.
You get squished.
Jump in.
Oh, he did. Crew photo here.
You guys ready? Everyone say cheese! That's the one, brother.
Cheese dip.
Fucking cheese dip.
A big wave. Oh! Whoa! Are they holding hands? Oh!
Oh yeah!
So fast. Ryan's the fastest today.
Like climbing towers.
The last time he was floating slower than the rest of us.
Yeah, you guys swam perfectly into the big wave. That was awesome.
Ah, oh, nice. Nice beach.
Seals.
Oh, I don't remember that.
And all of a sudden, I see Joel just fly by me.
Like right over top of Tate.
You're
3 feet above him on that one.
Waiting for the wall to clear out a bit and Tate's trying here. Rise.
Go down and I'll get the camera and I'll take some photos and go jumping off.
How did he say to jump?
I think he said head first, like a pencil.
Okay. Oh, look at that view. Who's first?
Just go for when you are ready.
Whoa! He's nuts.
Thinking if I should do a gator or not.
Oh yeah, you should.
Absolutely.
Hundo.
It's been 20 years though, man.
Oh yeah.
Do a belly flop, please.
Me? I might. I don't want to, but I might.
Kev going down riff.
Oh, that's not cool. I'm floating backwards. Wait, what's going on here? What's that?
One on the right.
Yeah. Oh, he's going. He's in wait. Oh, I'm not ready.
Oh no, I was just trying to warm up on the rocks.
Hey, Cole, just cut this rope here for you, buddy. The other rafting company like sort of owns that area and lets people stay there.
You guys ever get in fights with the other companies or what?
I wish. Yeah, I'm really only bitching and thinking about one person right now.
Well, tell me about accessible dreams.
I'm telling you, you're out this motherfucker named Gareth. And before we all get back on the bus and you guys all we all go our own ways, I just want to say a massive thank you. Thank you guys so much for joining me this evening. I hope you guys had a blast. I know I thoroughly enjoyed myself. So thank you guys very, very much.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, thanks again.
You guys awesome. It was good. It was good.
See. Well, what'd you guys think?
What a time, eh?
You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for coming.